Welcome to Information Technology Essentials. In this first chapter, Introduction to Information Technology, we explore why studying information technology matters. We will examine how digital literacy shapes our daily routines, protects our digital presence, and opens doors to flexible, high-paying career paths in an increasingly connected world. Welcome to Chapter 1. In this module, we will explore digital literacy, examine how IT impacts everyday life, discuss foundational troubleshooting concepts, review diverse career pathways, and understand the low barriers to entering the tech field. To begin, let's examine digital literacy. Digital literacy extends far beyond basic computer use. It represents the ability to find, evaluate, use, share, and create content using modern technologies. It combines critical thinking, online safety, and effective communication to empower you in both personal and professional environments. Modern life runs on technology, and a baseline level of IT knowledge helps you navigate daily tasks with confidence. From configuring smart home devices and securing personal computers to recognizing phishing scams during online financial transactions, IT touches almost everything you do. Furthermore, understanding digital collaboration platforms keeps you connected globally, while basic troubleshooting skills save you time and money by eliminating the need for paid repair services. One of the most fundamental troubleshooting techniques is understanding the power of the reboot. Over 80% of common device issues can be resolved with a simple restart. Before spending time contacting technical support, rebooting your device clears temporary memory, terminates stalled background tasks, and resets system processes back to a clean state. Now, beyond daily personal use, information technology offers diverse and lucrative career pathways. Cybersecurity specialists protect organizational infrastructure and critical data from unauthorized access and cyber threats. Cloud architects design and manage scalable virtual computing environments. Data analysts examine complex data sets to identify trends and guide strategic decisions, while software developers write the code that powers web applications, mobile platforms, and operating systems. When evaluating an IT career, it is important to consider the advantages and trade-offs. On the positive side, the tech industry offers high starting salaries, excellent long-term earning potential, remote work flexibility, and strong job security. Conversely, rapid technological evolution demands continuous self-directed learning. High-pressure situations can arise during critical outages or security breaches, and intensive technical troubleshooting can occasionally lead to mental fatigue. Importantly, information technology is a field with room for everyone. Job growth in computing and IT occupations continues to outpace nearly every other sector, and these skills transfer effortlessly across industries like healthcare, finance, entertainment, and government. Furthermore, you do not necessarily need a 4-year college degree to enter the field. Industry-recognized certifications provide direct pathways to help fill the persistent global shortage of qualified cybersecurity and cloud talent. Let's summarize Chapter 1. Digital literacy combines technical competence with critical thinking and security awareness. IT skills protect your daily digital life, enhance productivity, and enable quick problem-solving through basic practices like system reboots. Finally, the IT industry offers robust career growth, high compensation, and accessible pathways through specialized certifications. Thank you for watching. You are building foundational IT knowledge one lesson at a time. Make sure to subscribe and check the course playlist to continue with the next lesson in our Information Technology Essentials series.